and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Kiki London have a new launch, which is their winter 2020 collection, and as always I'll be swatching these both matte and glossy as I've always done, along with sharing my swatches on both natural and clear pop sticks. In the description box below you'll find my direct link to the Kiki London website, which is affiliated, along with my discount code for you to use. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So this is the winter 2020 collection. It's a collection of 6 gel polishes. We have a mix of light and dark colours, and they are in their normal 7.3ml bottles, and as always they are the coloured bottles, and they also have their names on the back. For these swatches I'll be using the Kiki London top coat. So for the glossy I'm using their no wipe top coat. I usually use their no wipe rubber top coat, but for these I thought I would show how glossy this top coat is. And then I'll also be using their no wipe matte top coat as well. These are the 15ml bottles. You can also purchase them in the 7.3ml bottles as well. I just personally prefer the larger bottles. So I'll start with the lightest colour from this collection, and it's called Silver Shrine. All swatches will be 2 coats along with a layer of top coat, and I'll be curing using the Kiki London 96 watt UV LED lamp. Each layer will be cured for 30 seconds. Silver Shrine is a gorgeous metallic silver, however it has a stunning pinky purple hue to it when it's moved about. Unfortunately it doesn't seem to be coming across very well on camera, but I will try to add in some better video so you can really see how beautiful Silver Shrine is. It covers well in the first coat. I would probably say that depending on how you like your nails to be, I would go in with either 2 or 3 coats. For me probably 3, just because I don't like light coming through my free edge nail once it's painted. I've never seen a colour like this. I'm excited to see how a mani would work using it, but also what other colours would work alongside it. It's a great colour to have in a winter collection for maybe snowflake nails. It has that sort of frosted look, but it's also a colour that would work all year round too. I've got quite a bit of inspiration from this whole collection. Once top coat has been added and cured, you can see a little of the pinky purple hue. The glossiness from the top coat really adds to the look of Silver Shrine. Now I did turn this matte, and to be fair I personally wouldn't use it matte. You completely lose the hue, which makes it so unique, but metallics do look good matte though. With the clear there wasn't much difference. Only thing I found was I could see light coming through the clear. I've also done the usual lid bottle swatches. These can also be purchased from Kiki London as well. Silver Shrine is a gorgeous colour, and I would probably say a must-have colour. I would love Kiki London to extend this for a full range. Simply beautiful colour. Next we have Purple Dusk, and this is a beautiful deep dusky purple. I love purples, and this, well, I want it on my nails now. One of the many reasons I love Kiki London is for their gel polishes, consistency and coverage. Purple Dusk looks amazing in just 1 coat. I could see some patches in places, but it's really hard to see them on camera. Purple Dusk will be a super popular colour in autumn and winter manis. If you were adding nail art over the top like stamping, you could really get away with just 1 coat, to be fair, and I have some stamping polishes which I think will work great over the top of Purple Dusk. All of the colours in this winter 2020 collection, Kiki London has nothing alike them, which is another reason I love them. I will be creating some manis with the winter 2020 collection along with the autumn 2020 collection as well in the coming weeks in some inspiration nail videos. I've done some recently in summer I believe, so I want to do some more. I will say with the second coat of Purple Dusk it was more of a just in case layer, and it didn't really add anything of more of the depth or anything. It just covered a few of the patches that I had. Now glossy looks amazing. You can't go wrong with either the no wipe top coat I'm using or the no wipe rubber top coat. It really finishes the nails off so well. Alongside the matte, which also looks just as amazing, Either finish will make Purple Dusk look stunning, and there was no difference between the natural swatches or the clear. When I do my videos, I also think of questions which might be asked and that I want to know. I wanted to know if Purple Dusk looked anything close to either Miss Mauve or Petal Kiss. So my clear swatch on the right is Purple Dusk, in the middle is Miss Mauve, and then on the left is Petal Kiss. It's not anywhere close to Petal Kiss, which is a dusky pink, but it is darker than Miss Mauve. However, Miss Mauve and Purple Dusk would make an amazing mani together. Next we have Stone Blue, and this is a stunning steel blue colour. I did notice it was coming across brighter than what it is in person and in this video than in my pictures. I don't edit my photos, they are what they are, so just remember that the pictures of Stone Blue are slightly brighter. With new collections, Kiki London do a pre-sale first as a full collection, and where they are slightly lower in price. Then after the pre-sale, they release them individually. Keep an eye on their social media and my Instagram, where you'll see posts about them. Stone Blue has the same coverage as Purple Dusk. It's going to work alongside light blues and dark blues really well. Now, I did film me swatching each colour over the clear pop sticks as well. That video will be edited and they will be over on my Instagram page in the coming weeks. Stone Blue is a great winter colour, but for me it's another colour I would use all year round because it is that dusky steel blue colour. Great for creating winter manis, but also spring and summer as well. I definitely want to try some snowflake manis with Stone Blue, but I also want to see what stamping polishes are going to work over the top as well. There is nothing like Stone Blue within the Kiki London existing colours. I personally love Stone Blue. The glossy swatch, again, just like Purple Dusk, looks amazing. I've actually worn this top coat for over 2 weeks and it still looked good and just as glossy. Now, the matte swatch looks stunning. There is just something about it, and for me this is probably how I would use Stone Blue. The clear pop stick again has a great coverage. I do like to show both the natural and clear pop sticks because I know we all use different. I prefer the natural, but I know some only use clear. Stone Blue is another must-have colour. It is absolutely beautiful. Next we have Charcoal Grey, and just like its name, it's a dark charcoal grey colour. Kiki London already have 2 greys, Mr. and Mrs. Grey, with Mrs. Grey being the lightest grey and Mr. Grey being a medium grey. There wasn't anything from Mr. Grey to Blackheart, which is Kiki London's black gel polish, so it's great to see another grey from them. Grey colours make great base colours for any nail art, and another colour which could be used all year round. And with Charcoal Grey, it has an amazing coverage. I want to see what this is like on my nails, but I think this could maybe be another one coater from Kiki London. They do have a few which I absolutely love. I really didn't need to do the second coat of Charcoal Grey, but I'm one of those, I like to do a second coat just in case, but it didn't do anything other than add another layer of gel polish. You could team this with the other 2 greys or Blackheart to create ombres, but it would also work alongside other colours as well, like Silver Shine or Baby Pink. The glossy swatch again looks fab, really liking how the glossy swatches are looking. Now the matte looks amazing. It sort of makes the Charcoal Grey have a dusky look to it. Either way, a great base colour for nail art, and there is no difference between the natural or the clear pop sticks. Greys are definitely a staple colour for gel polish collections, and this is a must-have colour. My mind is absolutely spinning with designs and colour combos with the colours from the Winter 2020 collection. Next we have Sapphire Sparkle, and this colour is wow. It's a dark teal green sapphire glitter gel polish. It is amazing to look at. Now I will be honest, the first coat I was like, oh, I'm not so sure about this, especially when I did the clear pop sticks. However, it does build up to create the most amazing colour I've seen. It really does have sort of like a peacock feel to it. For me personally, I don't know if I would want to add anything other than maybe some crystals over the top of Sapphire Sparkle, because I would want to see all that gorgeous glitter effect on the nail. So I think this for me anyway would be more of an accent nail colour. But I can think of some colours, which I won't be sharing just yet, that I feel would work great alongside Sapphire Sparkle. Again, I would like to see more colours with this effect from Kiki London. It is such a unique colour, and this out of the whole winter 2020 collection is hands down my favourite. I definitely want this on my nails very soon. I do have a mani idea for this, which I think I might very well turn into my next video. I would love to hear your thoughts on this winter 2020 collection, so let me know in the comments below what you think. Now, every colour has a place in the already existing colours from Kiki London, which I think is fabulous. Now, I was a little bit like, I'm not sure if this is going to work matte, but just you wait. So the glossy swatch, it makes the teal green glitter effect stand out even more. It's absolutely beautiful. Now the matte swatch, I was surprised it worked so well, but I know I said I wouldn't add anything over the top of Sapphire Sparkle. Well, with matte, I maybe would just add a small amount of stamping, maybe something swirly. Now with the clear pop stick, I could see light coming through it. So for me, I would probably say, depending again on how you like your nails, that it would be 2 to 3 coats. For me, probably 3 coats. But this is a super must-have colour. It is absolutely stunning. Next we have Mystic Noir, and this is a black shimmer glitter gel polish. Kiki London make the amazing Black Heart, which is an almost one coat of black gel polish. So when I saw Mystic Noir, I was like, oh yes, this is going to be amazing. The shimmer glitter is very subtle, but it's absolutely beautiful. And just like Black Heart, it has a really nice coverage. I do hope that you can see the shimmer glitter effect of Mystic Noir. Now it's going to work alongside so many other colours. It would be great for an accent nail or for a full black glitter mani. There is just going to be so many options for Mystic Noir. Great for a party set of nails or add a bit of glam to a Halloween set of nails. Kiki London have made such a simple but very effective black glitter gel polish. I would personally wear this all the time. My wardrobe is mainly all black, so it fits me really, really well. Now, considering the past 6 months or so have been really hard for me, I've really struggled with creativity. This whole collection has really ignited my mind, and I can't wait to start creating manis using not only the Winter 2020 collection, but also the Autumn 2020 collection. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description box below, along with the Kiki London lamp that I'm using as well. So the glossy swatch just looks amazing. And again, just like a few of the others, I would say between 2 to 3 coats, depending on how you like your nails to look. Now matte. One side of me is like, no, definitely not. That's just no. But then the other side of me is like, it's made it this pewter metallic black, which looks weird, but also good at the same time. It's going to be a personal preference, the matte swatch is. However, you do definitely lose the shimmer effect of Mystic Noir. Now over the clear, again, it's just like Sapphire Sparkle. I could see some light coming through, not as much, but Mystic Noir is a super, super, super must-have colour, and it is going to be very, very popular. So what do you think of this Winter 2020 collection from Kiki London? I'm loving it. It's a fabulous collection to end what has been a very, very hard year for everybody. Kiki London have created yet another stunning collection. Now, even though I'm a brand ambassador for them and I only use Kiki London gel polishes, this does not influence my thoughts in any way on their products. They truly make some gorgeous gel polishes, and I really can't wait to get started on creating with the Winter 2020 collection. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mini swatch videos as well. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on the Kiki London Winter 2020 gel polish collection. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.